Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Muhammad Jamil Sharif. I am going to take your class on the course titled as Fundamentals of Financial Accounting. This course is designed to cater to the needs of a learner with little or no prior accounting knowledge. As such, the course starts with explaining the accounting framework, shedding light on the relevant conceptual and regulatory requirements, and then focus will be given to elucidate how accounting works as an information system in an organization. So the main objective of this course has been set to enable learners to complete the accounting cycle at a low level of ambiguity, complexity, and uncertainty. This course ensures the conceptual foundation of financial accounting for a learner from a non-accounting background in completing tasks of the input, processing, and output stages of the accounting information systems. So this course has been designed under 4 different segments. Segment A represents the accounting framework. Segment B represents the accounting as an information system. Under segment C, accounting system for assets will be discussed, and under segment D, accounting for single entities will be shared with you. Under segment A, we will discuss about accounting, need and users of accounting information, and conceptual and regulatory framework of accounting from the global and local perspective. Accounting is an information system, so segment B will cover the inputs, processing and outputs of the information systems along with the adjacent entries. Segment C will cover the accounting system for current and non-current assets, and segment D will cover the preparation and analysis process of financial statements for different entities. The assessment has been structured as follows. Segment A carries 10% of total marks, segment B carries 30%, segment C carries 20%, and segment D carries the highest weight with 40% of the total marks. In this course, total 11 modules will be shared with you. We will begin with Module 1, Course Orientation. In this module, I will introduce you to what is included in this course and explain how you should move forward with your learning journey. This will give you a clear picture of a roadmap ahead. Next, we will move on to Module 2, Accounting and its Environment. Here, we will define accounting, explore its accounting branches, and then discuss how the broader environment such as legal, social, and economic factors shape accounting practices. After that, in Module 3, the Accounting Framework, we will build a strong conceptual foundation. We will discuss why financial records are needed, who uses accounting information, and what makes this information useful. We will also talk about the assumptions, conventions, and policies in accounting, how the accounting cycle works, and how financial statements are prepared. Ethical issues, integrated reporting, and regulatory framework will also be covered in this module. Once we have the framework, we will turn to Module 4, Input Stage of an Accounting Information System. This is where the actual work of accounting starts. You will learn about the double entry system and accounting equation, how to record transactions in journals, including special journals, and how to manage petty cash. Moving forward in Module 5, the processing stage of an accounting and information system, we will learn how to record data and how recorded data is processed. This includes creating a chart of accounts, understanding different types of accounts, maintaining general and subsidiary ledgers, and preparing a trial balance. Then comes Module 6, Adjusting Accounting Records. As you know, real-life transactions often require adjustment. We'll learn how to handle omissions, errors, accruals, and prepayments, as well as different types of adjusting entries leading up to an adjusted trial balance. After adjustments, we'll proceed to Module 7, Output and Accounts Closing stage of an AIS. Here, we'll learn how to prepare a worksheet, understand the components of financial statements, and finally, close the accounts with post-closing trial balances. Once we are comfortable with the cycle, we'll move to Module 8, Accounting for Current Assets. This includes inventory recording and valuation methods, accounting for receivables, and preparing a bank reconciliation statement. Next, Module 9, Accounting for Non-Current Assets. In this part, we'll discuss different types of assets, the nature of related expenses, and methods of depreciation and amortization. After covering assets, Module 10 will focus on accounting for different business types. We will study how accounting varies across different entities, learn about single-step and multiple-step income statements, manufacturing accounts, shares and debentures, and also how to prepare accounts from incomplete records. Finally, we will end with Module 11, Preparation and Interpretation of Financial Statements. This is where everything comes together. We'll learn how to prepare a complete set of financial statements, construct a cash flow statement, and use financial ratios to interpret business performance. By the end of this course, you will not only understand the full accounting cycle, but also be able to prepare and interpret financial statements with confidence. That's the roadmap of our course. Step by step, module by module, we will move from the basics of accounting concepts to the practical preparation and interpretation of financial reports. I will stop here for now. In the next class, I will move to the chapter 1, Accounting and its Environment. Thank you for your attention.